What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add gradient background colors into your Slider Revolution WordPress plugin. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, log in on your WordPress dashboard. How to do this? On the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials. You're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. This is your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down and focus into the left sidebar of menus. Next to settings, you're going to be able to find Slider Revolution, okay? In the case that you want to know more about Slider Revolution, there is a playlist on YouTube. Just search for Visualmodo Slider Revolution so you can learn all about it. In this tutorial, you're going to be using the latest version of Slider Revolution, the new layout, the 7 plus version. So hover your mouse over the slider that you would like to apply this gradient background color. In my case, it's going to be this one right here. As soon as you hover, you're going to be able to see this pencil icon on the slider. Click on it and wait for the slider to load. It can take more or less time according to your server performance, according to the size of the things that you have added on the slider. So nothing to worry, just wait. Then review the layers, okay? Into the upper left side of your screen, there is the slider logo, settings, slides, transitions, layers. Click on it and move to background, okay? The slide background, or just click into the part of the background and edit, okay? Review the right side of menus now, and you're going to be able to see the background enabler. We have slide background, it's set as image, move to color, just like this, and set slide background color by clicking into this little tab. The color picker gonna open and you can select any color that you want, but review this top part where is reading solid. Click and you can change to linear background or to radial background, up to you. I prefer the linear background. Then you can choose some presets, some color presets. Let me show you one example right here. Just like this. Let me close this tab so you can see it better. This is a linear background, and you can play with the background position in the case that you want, okay? By using this degree symbol. You can set the options, just like this, up to you. You can reverse the background style. You can change the options, just like this. You can change the intensity of the color. The color itself can be edited. And in the case that you want, you can change the first color and the second color. And in the case that you want as well, you can apply a middle color into this layout, just like this, to create a 3 colors background gradient. This is one of my favorites. Looks fancy. You can pick a color by clicking to this pencil as well. You can type the hexadecimal, opacity, and here is the final results. All up to you and to your needs. After selecting your color, you can save the change on your slider by clicking to this diskette option. And you can preview to check how the slider gonna looks like. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of